Okay, so we're back at the simulation form again, and I'd like to just show you a couple of the more advanced features that you might like to take advantage of when completing this. So one field that I would like to dwell on for a moment is this one at the bottom here. So this is a field where we can specify the times during the simulation at which we would like to store the state variables, so things like the concentrations and potentials in different parts of the battery. And as you can see, what you can do here is type in essentially a list of times at which you would like DandeLiion to return those states to you. Now, it could be a bit arduous to type in a big list of numbers by hand here if there's a large number of snapshots that you'd like to record. So one way you can complete this form is by leveraging your favourite spreadsheet software. So in my case, I use Linux operating system. So for me, this is the Office Calc spreadsheet tool. But if you're a Microsoft user, perhaps it's Excel for you. And let's imagine that we want to visualize our solution at increments of 100 seconds up to 4,000 seconds. So what we need to do is produce a list of times corresponding to those that we want to see. So one way to do that in this spreadsheet software would be like this. So there's our list of times up to 4,000 seconds in increments of 100 seconds. So that's much faster for me to do than typing out all of those numbers by hand. And what I can do now is I can select that column of data, copy it, come back to the simulation form and just paste that data directly into the box here. And DandeLiion will accept this data, so even though it's in column format, not row format as it was previously, DandeLiion will understand what we're asking it to do here. So if I go ahead and submit that simulation, you'll see that indeed that's gone off well. Another field that you can interact with similarly is the field which tells DandeLiion what discharge rate you're interested in. So if you're interested in just a galvanostatic discharge rate, all you have to do is give a scalar here for the value of the current that you're interested in. But oftentimes in practical experiments, you're interested in a current that varies with time. So here, what you could do is use your spreadsheet software to populate two columns this time, and rather than just giving the time values, here we would give the time value in seconds in the first column, and then in the second column we would give the current draw at that time in amps. And then, so if you create that two-column set of data in your spreadsheet software, just as I showed you previous, you can copy that data, paste it directly into this field, and DandeLiion will understand that format, and you'll be able to submit your job. Good. Okay, I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk a little bit about the simulation queue.